Hi everyone, thanks for checking out the Go Green Driving School website. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to book a driving lesson on our new website. The first thing you want to do is visit gogreenDrivingSchool.com or simply gotlessons.com. Once there, you'll click on the login link at the top right of the page. Now here you'll sign into your account, but if you don't already have an account, then click on the first time here sign up link here at the bottom. If you're on a mobile device, tap the three dashes on the top banner of the page and select Login from the drop-down menu. Here you'll put the student's name and contact information in. If you're a parent signing up for your child, please note that the phone number and email address here at the top are the only contact info that receives communication, like confirmations and invoices. If you put your guardian information in, that's only for our records. So if you think you'd prefer to be the one to receive those communications, then consider putting your contact information here instead. After you've created the account, you'll be asked to verify your identity. You should receive a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Go ahead and put the code in, and you'll be taken to the next step. Once you've created an account, go ahead and click Packages at the top of the page. Here you can select the type of service you're interested in purchasing. If you'd like a single 2-hour driving lesson that begins and ends at our office, then select Standard Single Driving Lesson. If you would prefer your instructor meet the student at home and drop the student off at the end of the lesson, then choose Concierge Single Driving Lesson. For students under the age of 18 looking for the 6 hours of behind-the-wheel instruction required before taking the DMV drive test, we offer 3 lesson packages. Just like with single lessons, you can choose a standard package to meet the instructor at the office or a concierge package to have the instructor meet you at home. Students interested in meeting all of the requirements necessary for obtaining a California driver's license, including driver's education, 6 hours of behind-the-wheel instruction, and an escort to the DMV drive test taken in one of our vehicles, may want to consider purchasing one of our complete licensing packages. Again, you have the option between a standard package or a concierge package. Once you've made your selection, click Add to Cart. And for this example, I'm going to choose a single driving lesson. Be sure to check that you have the correct quantity of lessons in your cart before checking out. And then in order to check out, you'll put in your credit card information. I'm going to do that off screen. When I get back, I'll show you how to go ahead and book your lesson. Once you purchase a lesson, you'll have an option of booking your lesson right there on the spot, or you can give the lesson to somebody else as a gift. We're going to go ahead and click Book Now with your prepaid. After checking out, you'll be taken to our booking calendar. From here, if you scroll all the way to the top, you'll be able to pick the date that you'd like to have your lesson on. Once you have a date selected, you'll see which instructors and time slots are available. Something important to take note of is the service type offered by each instructor. The bottom of their photo will indicate whether the instructor offers office lessons, concierge lessons, or both. If you purchase a standard lesson, but try to book a lesson with an instructor that only does concierge lessons, you'll be asked again for payment. Likewise, if you purchase a concierge lesson, but try to book with an instructor that only does office lessons, additional payment will be requested. So for this example, I've purchased a standard driving lesson. So here you can see April does concierge lessons. So you see if I try to book this lesson, it's asking me for additional credit card payment. So it's important to check what type of service is offered by which instructor before you try to book. So because I've chosen a standard lesson, I'm going to go ahead and book with Aaron because he offers office lessons. You can click Book Now, and if you've already paid for the lesson, rather than having a dollar amount, it should say prepaid. And that's it. Once you've booked the lesson, you should receive an email confirmation and a text message alerting you that you've booked the lesson. And if you need to cancel a booking, you can click on My Bookings on the left pane and click on the X next to your booking that you'd like to cancel. Please note, it's normal for our instructors to be booked a couple of weeks ahead, so it's best to plan accordingly. And of course, if you're having difficulty with scheduling, feel free to contact our office for help. And that's all there is to booking a lesson on our website. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like more information, you could visit gogreendrivingschool.com, or you can call our office at 510-432-8873. Thanks for watching.